This is a 2017 Crest Classic 230 SLC. It has a 150 horsepower engine on the back. It's a graphite with steel accent. Has a weathered gray floor. Of course, you got your C-Star hydraulic steering on this because it has the 150 with the CP2 Plus option from Crest. All looks to be really good shape. Classic's one of their higher end models. So pop up and down cleats. You see this boat also has performance strakes on it, which is nice for a 2-tube with a 150. Got your LED docking lights in the front. Got the weathered gray floor. It's got a little bit of dirt from everything flying around today in the breeze. It looks pretty good though. Seats are in great shape, vinyl's in great shape. Has the premium audio system, so it has the Fusion upgrade. Has under deck lighting and lighted cup holders. Comes with a Simrad unit. The boat has 183 hours on it. Really nice setup from Crest. Bimini top, of course. Seats look really good. Has a couple movable cup holders. Table that goes in, mounted right there. Has a changing room. This boat's got a lot of space on it, lots of room. All powder coated rails on this boat, so really heavy duty. It'd be a good boat for even on big water. The super good Crest build. Again, a 2017 Crest Classic 230 SLC. Available here at Lake Fenton SkipperBud's. My name is Chris Craig. Thank you very much.